JK.
Oh, he said they're combined.
Show that door who's going to bed.
Get in, go. Okay. What's up? Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna need some repairs for sure. Oh my gosh! Look at that view. Oh yeah, that is dope.
Look at that view.
Oh yeah, it's worth it.
What they gonna put all over here though?
Don't matter, it's worth it. But $1,200 a month association, Jesus, and that don't go away.
This view is beautiful.
That do not go away. This is dope.
It's
though.
really low key. I thought it was gonna be higher or something. I don't know what I expected.
What? We're on the 13th floor.
This is a bedroom.
Well, you can definitely. Yeah, this is dope. Well, yeah, that's the price reflects the outdatedness. What they asking for this one? This one is this one's $639,000. It's nothing really. Only thing outdated really is the kitchen. Well, I ain't see the bathroom yet. Hold on. I mean, this bathroom is fine. It's got real granite. Floor is nice. It just need to get rid of this what do you call it? Wallpaper. I like it. Nice closet. Decent sized closet, I should say. Yeah, this is nice. Nice. This master is very tiny. I don't like these wall units though. That's kind of, looks cheesy. Looks very cheesy. Ain't no other bedrooms? Oh, okay. I got one over here. Uncle said, is this the master? It's gotta be.
I don't think this is this. I don't think there's really a I think the other one was a master because it was two different apartments. So this is the beginning of the other apartment right here.
Oh yeah, he said. Okay, so yeah. This is a nice size.
There's one carpeted room, and then this is a laundry room. And there's no. I think that front room was supposed to be a master.
Yeah, it's a decent sized closet, but not. See now, yeah, these bathrooms definitely.
If you notice, this particular apartment is right off the water.
That's probably why it's costing so much.
Yeah. And oh, look at them down here by a little fire thing.
Oh yeah.
Chilling. That's a nice little.
I guess if you're gonna stay here, it would probably be best to have a boat, huh?
Some people just like looking at the water.
Yeah, this is a nice view. Canada look like it's 5 minutes away.
It is. Less than. You done went down through the tunnel. It was like less than 5 minutes away.
I could swim over there. I wonder where they catch me.
You think you can swim over there, but it's bigger than it looks from up here.
I know it's probably like maybe a mile.
Yeah, the tunnel is like maybe 3 minutes. And you're there.
But I wonder how that works with cause you know you gotta have a passport now. I wonder how that works with people with boats. Like if they go too far over there.
You don't have to have a passport to get to Canada. You just gotta have an enhanced license. Michigan.
I don't know.
Not everywhere.
I thought they got rid of that rule.
No, I don't think they did.
You better look it up. I believe they did.
I don't know. I've been to Canada several times and I never used my passport.
Oh, now this closet.
This is the laundry room though. So they made it a laundry room.
Yeah, they made it one because this is a decent sized closet. I would.
I think they can go lower on the price so because it's got to be updated.
Yeah, well, if it was updated, it'd be like $1 million.
Okay.
That's what the other ones cost. Other than this nice view. What you do?
No, I'm just saying it comes right up.
Oh, that's another thing I don't like. Those things for the AC.
What was this supposed to be?
It's a desk. It's a desk. Yeah, this is this master. This is dope, but this is more of a player's pad than a family for a place for kids. Or just a couple with no kids, kids grown, and then you want to live close to downtown. This way. There we go.
Excuse me, someone was bringing me here to see this property. Excuse me.
Oh, shut up.
Okay, so we got a bathroom right when you come into right with great for gas.
Okay, never mind. It needs some updates. That's for sure. It is a small kitchen, but look at the view though. They got little windows though, but I like this view. Can see the little pigtail. The little mixed girl with the bangs. It has a hotel vibe though. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. This is one bedroom.
It's two.
Oh, what other bedroom?
Not sure.
Oh, that's fine.
Mm-hmm. Wow. So this is it, eh? You're not getting much for $550.
550 what?
$550,000.
Man, please.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely for a bachelor. Where you talking about this little thing over here?
Yeah, ain't even no lightning.
That's what I said. I didn't think it was a bedroom.
Ain't no other room.
Well, it's got a
gotta
closet.
be.
No light though. That is odd.
I don't know about 550,000.
I would never. It's
This
like
is like a rich person's playpad.
it's like a little. It's like a that hotel what's the one? The one down.
Semester?
Nah, I got the weird name. Oh my gosh, I can't think of it right now. But anyway,
Damn,
it was basically the same size as this. Twins Auto Sales. He getting money. What was the name of that?